Welcome to Beautyistic, where we delve into the latest in beauty and salon equipment. Today we're reviewing the DEER BEAUTY Salon Tray on Wheels, a premium aluminum rolling trolley designed for professionals in salons, studios, and medical settings. The DEER BEAUTY Salon Tray on Wheels is constructed from food-grade aluminum alloy, offering anti-corrosion properties, high hardness, and resistance to high temperatures. This design ensures durability and ease of maintenance. The tray's height is fully adjustable, ranging from 27.5 inches to 43.3 inches, accommodating various tasks and user preferences. Its spacious top plate measures 17.71 inches, providing ample space for tools and products. The trolley features 5 swivel casters, allowing for smooth movement and easy direction changes, enhancing mobility around the workspace. In terms of performance, the DEER BEAUTY Salon Tray on Wheels excels in providing a stable and mobile solution for professionals. The sturdy aluminum construction supports a substantial amount of weight, and the adjustable height caters to different working conditions. Users have noted its stability and ease of movement, making it a practical addition to any professional setting. Pros of this product include its robust build quality, ease of assembly, and spacious design. The adjustable height and smooth rolling wheels add to its versatility. However, some users have reported concerns about its stability, particularly when fully extended. It's important to ensure the trolley is properly assembled and used on a flat surface to maintain stability. When compared to similar products on the market, the DEER BEAUTY Salon Tray on Wheels stands out due to its premium aluminum construction and adjustable height feature. While there are other salon trolleys available, this model offers a combination of durability and flexibility that is highly valued by professionals. Considering its quality and features, the DEER BEAUTY Salon Tray on Wheels offers good value for its price. The durable materials and thoughtful design contribute to its overall worth. However, potential buyers should assess their specific needs and workspace to determine if this trolley aligns with their requirements. The build quality of this trolley is commendable, with the aluminum alloy providing a sturdy and durable structure. The materials used are resistant to corrosion and high temperatures, ensuring longevity. The design is practical, with a large base plate enhancing stability. User-friendliness is a key aspect of this product. The adjustable height mechanism is straightforward, and the smooth rolling wheels make it easy to maneuver. The spacious tray allows for organized storage of tools and products, streamlining the workflow. Customer support experiences have been positive, with responsive and helpful assistance available for any inquiries or issues. The company provides clear instructions for assembly and usage, ensuring a smooth experience for users. In real-world testing, the DEER BEAUTY Salon Tray on Wheels has proven effective in various professional settings. Its stability and mobility have been particularly beneficial in dynamic environments where quick adjustments are necessary. Since its initial release, there have been no significant updates or changes to the product. It continues to perform consistently, meeting the needs of professionals in the beauty and medical fields. In conclusion, the DEER BEAUTY Salon Tray on Wheels is a reliable and versatile tool for professionals seeking a durable and adjustable trolley. Its quality construction and thoughtful design make it a worthwhile investment for those in need of a functional workspace solution. This product is ideal for professionals in salons, studios, and medical settings who require a mobile and adjustable trolley for their tools and products. Its design caters to both beginners and experienced practitioners. Regarding longevity, the DEER BEAUTY Salon Tray on Wheels is built to withstand regular use. The durable materials and sturdy construction suggest it will remain reliable over time, provided it is properly maintained. While the DEER BEAUTY Salon Tray on Wheels offers excellent features, there are more affordable alternatives available that may suit budget-conscious buyers. It's advisable to compare different models to find the best fit for your needs. If you're enjoying this review, liking, subscribing, and pressing the bell icon will allow us to bring you more great content and help others find this video too. Thank you for watching. You can find the link to get the product in the comments box. Feel free to ask questions about the product or share your experiences if you own it already. Video DEER BEAUTY Salon Tray on Wheels, YouTube, Turn Neuro Search 3.